This is a guitar lesson for Be Kind by Marshmello and Halsey.
Don't know why you hide from the one, or close your eyes to the one that's up and back, to the one that you love.
My name is Dave Donoghue from guitarco.com and I put up brand new releases every Friday. If you want to keep up to date, just hit subscribe below. This lesson also comes with a free chords and lyrics sheet, which if you want to download, you can grab it above or find the link in the description below. Question of the lesson is, what is your favorite Marshmello song to play on guitar? Let's get into it. Okay, so for this song, there are only 3 different sections to learn, but they're all pretty easy. So to begin, we're going to have the verse, and we've F major 7, wanna believe, then we have C add 9, you don't have a bad bone in your body, up to G, but the bruise is on you, then A minor to G. And you repeat that for the next line. Wanna believe that even when you're stone cold, you're sorry. Tell me why you gotta be so out of your mind, yeah. The fastest change going on there is A minor to G. All right, so all that line is played twice. Now, the rhythm then, we're going to take a closer look at. There are many variations. The one that I've found to be the most precise for this song is the following one. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Now that's what's written here. If you do want to just have a simpler rhythm, down, 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 up on each chord. But if you want that upbeat disco vibe, here we go. So, and don't forget to grab your free download. The lyrics and the chords are available to download in the link above or in the description below. So the rhythm goes as follows. We get, I'll play it first for ear players. So that's all you'd play. And the good news is we get to keep this rhythm for the entire song. Now to break down that count, all it is, it goes 1 and 2 E and Those are the first 2 beats. So it goes down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you could practice that a few times. Now you see there is a tie on that last up because we're going to let it ring out. It goes down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down. Those 3 ups there, the V's in a row, are the ones to watch. Up, up, up. And the thing to remember is you have got to go down to come back up, right? So here's the thing, or you've got to come down to go back up, whichever way you want to think about it. So we got this. Alrighty, so again that's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down. So altogether that whole verse line goes 3, 4. Now you notice at the real end of that line, it changes to G on the up. It goes down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down. That's our verse. Now for the pre-chorus, and that's the bit that goes, I know you're choking on your tears, already told you I'm right here. So that part, that just carries once. And the C add 9, you can either strum that bar twice, so you go, oh, I know you're choking on your tears, already told you I'm right here, I will stay by your side every night. You could strum it on every there, or just leave it ringing, and told you I'm right here, I will stay by your side every night, I don't know why you, then you're straight into the chorus. Alright, with the chorus tip, it's the same chords as the verse. So I'm actually not going to cover it. I'll just sing and play it very briefly so you get an idea. So it goes 3, 4. I don't know why you hide from the one you close
close your eyes to the one's up and lie to the one that you love. When you know you can cry to the one.
The bridge then, those are single strums also. So it goes, and I know it's hard for you, but it's not fair. Going sick in the head, trying to get you there. So on. Just heard it today. And then D minor 7. And then we're back into a chorus, and it's slow. Know why you hide from the one you close. It's so chill out, nice and calm. Lie to the one that you love. So you just take single strums on that. Confide to the one, da, 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 da. And then you know it's coming, the big chorus to end it. Da, 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 and we're back into our rhythm. Alright, so those are all the main chords and those are all the sections. Right now, here's the thing. If you want to hang on and learn the actual, like, there are some fine distinctions in the chords. I'm going to get into those now. All right, and by the way, pop me a comment below. Let me know how you're getting on with this. All right, extra credit stuff. Now, you could go like this. You play F major 7, C add 9. That G there, if you want to do a chord called G sus 4 that looks like this, that's called G add 4. You can go like this. Okay, and then you have A minor and do that G add 4 again. Okay, here's the deal. Here's how that bit sounds. It goes 3, 4. All right, as I said, like, extra credit stuff if you want to try it. Alright guys, if you made it this far, I just want to thank you so much for watching. If you want to be kept up to date again for lessons, brand new releases every Friday, hit subscribe below. If you want to sing and play this, the download is above as well. Catch you soon.